Congratulations on your purchase of Draper's clutch-operated window shades. Beginning in June 2024, all clutch-operated shades manufactured by Draper will comply with ANSI standards for window shades with hanging chains. This video will show how to attach a wall-mounted tension chain hold-down. After installing the roller shade, slide the tensioned hold-down device to the bottom of the chain. Dry fit the mounting bracket to the tensioned hold-down. Do not permanently attach the hold-down to the bracket at this point. Next, pull down the device assembly to the attachment point. Fully extend the assembly on the bead chain until the hold-down is fully tensioned. Then move the assembly up about 1/8 of an inch. Mark the screw hole locations with a pencil and pre-drill screw holes at the marked locations. Disassemble the mounting bracket hold-down assembly and attach the mounting bracket to the wall with appropriate fasteners. Finally, use a screwdriver to attach the tensioned hold-down using the 2 smaller screws provided with your order. Your shade should now be fully functional. If further support is needed, please contact your dealer or Draper Inc. at 800-238-7999.